Hey everybody, this is Harshith, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys OpenAI's latest update, and this is something that really excites me, which is basically the video feature where OpenAI can now even see exactly the video as well. So right now I'm on my phone screen, and I'm actually on my phone screen, as you can see, and this is what is being shared here. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how this works. So once you're logged in, what you have to do is simply just click on this voice feature. So this is where OpenAI starts listening to me. Hey OpenAI, I'm just doing a demonstration about your latest feature of video where you can actually see my video. Can you just say hi to my audience?
Hello everyone, it's great to be here. I'm excited to help demonstrate this feature. How can I assist you all today?
Yeah, I'm just gonna mute ChatGPT for now. And now as you can see, this feature is basically the video feature. And when I just click on this, now as you can see, this is me and my setup, and I'm just gonna unmute myself as well, and I'm just gonna ask OpenAI if it can clearly see and understand me, right? So let me just unmute. Hey ChatGPT, can you see me?
I can't actually see you, but I'm here to help. Let me know what you need.
Okay, so what is this? What am I pointing towards?
It looks like you're pointing at a microphone. Am I right?
That is correct. And what is this?
That looks like a spray can. Are
Okay.
you holding a cleaning product?
Yes, it's a spray can, but can you exactly tell me what this is for?
The can says Fevicol Easy Spray. It looks like an adhesive spray. Are you working on a project?
That is correct. I wasn't just working on a project. I was basically just fixing what is behind me, which is the foam, the sound foam. Can you see my sound foam as well?
Yes, I can see the foam panels behind you.
And
They look like
what is the color again?
the foam behind you looks red and blue.
All right, I don't know why the connection has failed, but I'm just going to go back here again. Yes, but I can actually just go start my conversation again. But this is a small demonstration that I wanted to share with you guys. Is super simple. All you have to do is just go to the chat section and then just start clicking on the voice. All right, so I think it just stopped the advanced voice mode because a lot of people have been using the advanced voice mode for now. But hope you guys get an idea of what this is, and hope this demonstration was helpful for you guys to and try this out. So, but what are the real use cases of this? The use cases of this are a lot, right? Imagine you trying to fix an engine of a car, and you can basically show this, and very soon it's also going to be in spectacles as well. We're actually nearing that phase where the future is actually faster than you think, and it's going to happen really soon. So that's it for this video. See you guys again, and for more informational videos on AI, you guys have to follow me and subscribe to my channel as well. See you guys again. Peace.